What's going on, guys? I'm here again, it's your host, Mr. JD and Quells, and welcome to another episode of Quells World. I'm here to bring you guys another segment of Quells World I like to call Gun Talk. So what Gun Talk will be about is about firearms, obviously. Like I told you guys a couple episodes ago, I'm a firearms instructor. I'm certified in the state of Massachusetts, certified with the NRA, disclaimer, and I'm also a licensed to carry firearms owner here. I collect firearms as a passion. I love them. I feel like everyone should know them to safety aspects and should be trained with one. So I'm going to show you guys today some of my firearms, why I bought them, what they are, and how they pretty much help me on a day-to-day basis. Hope you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and share. I really appreciate all the support I can get. Thank you, guys.
Yondo.
So the first gun I'm going to show you guys is my Glock 19 chambered in 9mm and battlefield green. This Glock is great for everyday carry. It's light, compact, and Glocks are known for the great reliability. My Ruger SR22 chambered in 22. I typically use this as a training pistol. It's really easy to teach people to shoot on, and it's a great range pistol as well because 22 ammo is really cheap. This is the first gun I ever bought. This is the HK VP9 chambered in 9mm. It has front and rear side serrations, great stippling, and a really nice trigger. I'm glad to have HK a part of my inventory. The next gun I'm going to show you guys is my Ruger GP100 chambered in 357. This gun is really great because you can actually shoot 357 and 38 out of it. I use this as my training pistol as well, but I'm actually starting to enjoy it at the range. The most nostalgic gun in my collection is going to be the Glock 22, chambered in 40 cal. This gun right here is about 20 plus years old, and it's actually still running like a dream. I really enjoy shooting it at the range, and it also makes for a great home defense gun being full size and in 40 cal. This gun I actually got standard with Trijicon front and rear night sights, so I'm really happy and pleased about that. The next gun, of course, Big Bertha, is going to be my Stevens 320 12 gauge shotgun. This 12 gauge shotgun has some great features like the ghost ring sights, which you can see in the front and in the rear, and a pistol grip, which makes it great for home defense or even average every day at the range. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Quells World. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate all the support I can get. And the biggest thing about this channel is that each week I'll be reviewing a gun that I got to shoot that week. I usually go to the range at least once or twice a week, once for a training class, once for just personal shooting. Once the weather starts to get nicer outside, I will be shooting outside at a new range that I'll become a member of very soon, and you guys will be able to check that out on this channel. I'll actually throw up a video so that way you guys can get a little sneak peek preview of some shooting I've done at that range before. But if you like this video, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell me what your favorite gun is to shoot. Tell me what gun you think I should shoot on the channel. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate your love. Have a great day, guys.